cardio. What is going on, guys? My name is Max. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys don't know who I am a photographer and videographer based out of Buffalo, New York. And in today's video, we are going to be photographing a Ram TRX. And now I photographed one of these in the past, but here's the thing. I get to drive this one and take it to whatever photo shoot locations I want. And yeah, big shout out to Chef Brian. I'll tag his Instagram down below. If you guys don't know him already, he's pretty popular. So if you guys are in the Buffalo area, you probably know him. But yeah, this is his brand new truck. We are gonna head out. I'm gonna take this thing everywhere. We're gonna photograph it and try to get as many good photos and as many good videos as we can. And yeah, overall, I'm super excited. It's my first time driving a TRX. Well, not my first time, my second time driving a TRX, but overall, I get to have this thing for a few hours and have some fun with it. So I'm very excited. So we're gonna throw the chest strap on. I'm gonna hook that up. We're gonna get on our way and we're gonna try to make a fun video. So yeah,
should stay.
Let's get
All right, we are in the truck. I got the GoPro strap on. We are about to head out and we're about to get this shoot underway. I'm not gonna lie to you, this truck is a very, very smooth ride. I've always wanted like a Hellcat or a Durango SRT or just really anything, honestly. I've always wanted something. I never knew what I wanted. But after being in one of these, it's really making me want to just like straight up work 90 hours a week and just say fuck it, just to get one, because this thing is so sick. I mean, I wish you guys could experience this with me. You can't, obviously. It's a whole different like ball game. First off, I'm in Baja mode. This is what he recommended. He said it gives the best feel for now. We're gonna cruise out. I got a first location right up here. It's underneath a bridge. It's kind of grungy. It's got that Ram TRX vibe. Let's say you guys wanted to see like photos from a Ram TRX ad. That's what I'm going for, basically. I'm just trying to match the location to this vehicle. That's what I try to do on all my photo shoots. Obviously, it's a bit hard when you get into like specialty cars, but when you're with something like this, dude, this is so awesome and it stands out really anywhere. When I tell you that this is peak happiness right now, I'm literally driving a 2022 Ram TRX myself. Like, I mean, I have it literally to myself, and I'm about to go do a photo shoot of it. So just a quick tip of like, you know, some motivation. If you ever feel like stopping, please fucking don't stop. Whatever you're going through right now, literally whatever it is, I've been through the worst shit, okay? I've been through so much shit. Whatever it is right now, it's gonna pass, and you're gonna have a moment like this that I'm having right now, and you're gonna be so happy that you persevered and pushed through. So I'm gonna stop doing this like it's a, you know, a motivational talk, and we're gonna get out. I'm gonna strap this on my chest, and we are gonna get some banger photos. This is the first location. This is my warm-up location, and yeah, we're gonna hop out. Let's get it. All right, so we just hopped out. I definitely like this angle a lot more, but I'm gonna have to step way back because I still have the 135 on. Just like that. And yes, I am shooting at f3.2. This is to achieve the whole entire vehicle in focus. I want these to be pin sharp. I'm gonna try getting low. I do want these photos to be pin sharp, so I'm not playing around with my f-stop at all. It's too good. This thing is too good looking. I cannot lie. Try to get more of this car in focus. Maybe get high up, and I know you can't see this right now, but listen, in Buffalo, New York, we don't really have many locations, unfortunately. But I'm gonna get some simple badge photos, kind of some detail shots. I'm basically just gonna run around the vehicle, take as many photos as I can at this one location and not use up too much of my time. And then just work from there. I'm gonna try to come up these stairs, maybe. That's a huge spider web. You know what? I gotta do it. I had to walk through a giant spider web to get this shot. There's the title. Something like this. Frame it in these. Alrighty, so first location down, out for the count. I definitely think we got some great photos there. I really liked the look of this underneath bridge, but I really don't want to spend all of my time here. I just want to try to get as many different locations as I can in. So yeah, we are going to drive around, try to find a different location. I've never really been to this area, so it's definitely harder for me to shoot down here, but I'm gonna work with what I got. There's like these closed off gates and stuff, and this is gonna look so sick. So yeah, I'm gonna quit talking. We gotta get some photos ASAP while this light's still here. So I'm gonna turn this off and let's go.
looking at me very weird. But I like that. I love that feeling. I'm loving the colors on these. This looks so mean. Maybe get a little lower. Just like that. My favorite thing to photograph on these TRXs are these springs. The shot angle that they chose to put them at is so awesome. Bump up my ISO a little bit. Zoom in a little bit. When I come to my focus area, I can use flexible spot. Move my flexible spot down to the truck whilst leaving the city in the view. This is called using your rule of thirds. Pretty basic, but obviously everyone is here to learn. All right, so third location done. I got the GPS clocked in right now. We are heading to another location. I already had this one planned out. I just, it was a little bit further away, and my light is dimming on me just a little bit, which is pretty upsetting right now. Pretty much end of sunset right now because of the time changing and stuff, and the sunset going down earlier, so that sucks for me. I got very limited time right now. Okay, let's go. We're gonna hop out. So we're gonna hop into some photo. I'm in love with this location. This is the exact location that a Ram TRX should be. So I think this is perfect. The dirt on the wheels is really making it like pop in its own creative way. Kind of something in between these bushes. If I frame it in between these little, like frame the headlight maybe. That's a pretty neat detail shot. Like the dirt on the tires, it's just making the truck look like it's a truck. I don't know how to explain that in any other way than I just said it. It's making it look like a truck. I think the rule of thirds look goes so good. Like I'm trying to capture the sunset, thus while capturing the truck in focus. Maybe try to get down low. My shadows are peaking a little bit. I'll bring up some of the ISO. All right, camera in there. Whew. Alrighty, so the spot that I just shot at, you guys are gonna see the photos right now. I'm gonna show them on screen. I couldn't film. You're actually not allowed to go there at all. I literally just pulled in. I said, hey dude, I said, you guys work here? I said, I just wanna shoot some pictures. Literally, it'll take 5 minutes. And they said, yeah, of course, you know, you just can't go past the gate, which I didn't even need to go past the gate to get the shot. I'm kind of geeking right now because if you guys live in Buffalo, New York, this is a very popular like shooting location. I don't know why. It's a really cool like sand spot. I don't know. It looks really good. It contrasts every car color. But 90% of the time, everyone just pulls in, gets kicked out immediately because they think it's just free range. But I knew it was trespassing, and I was so happy when I asked, and he was just like, yeah, it's the perfect time to do it. There's no semis coming through. And I literally I flipped a switch so fast. I'm so happy he let me take photos there. So if you're watching this, dude, and you work at that sand spot, thank you so much for letting me get that shot. I've been trying to get one of those shots for so long. Alrighty, so we are at I honestly lost count of locations, but this is the other location. I'm really scared of a cop driving by and seeing this right now because I'm on the side of a highway. I really don't know if this is legal, but we're here, we're doing it. We're gonna take the photos and I'm gonna make this thing look sick. All right, so firstly, this sun is gonna be very, very bright, okay? And I know that I'm not gonna be able to expose for that. So I'm gonna have to probably get down low. I'm also gonna wait for these cars to go by. Right now I'm shooting at about 35 mil. And I've parked it up on the grass. There's kind of this hill up here, and it kind of like is leaning the truck back. It looks absolutely stunning. And I can't believe that I'm actually doing this right now. This is crazy. I got cars driving by looking at me, and I have no care in the world. I do not care at all right now. If you right now are watching this and you're scared to go out and take photos in public, I just want to tell you something. No one gives a fuck. Literally no one gives a fuck. Why are you waiting? Why are you waiting? This is fucking life. You get one. You get one life. I'm doing everything I can in this one lifetime. So I put the driver's side wheel. A lot of people are beeping at me. This looks great. So I put the top left wheel on the top of the hill and turned it all the way to the right. You guys just see how aggressive it kind of makes it look. I wish I had more terrain to kind of activate that suspension, because that's something that I really want to show on this truck, is this crazy suspension. The next video, I will be taking this truck out again, but the owner will be coming with me and we'll be shooting video rollers. That's something that I want to kind of make a whole dedicated video on, is how to shoot video rollers, what settings to use, how to get the best bang for your buck out of shooting rollers, and just kind of the whole 9 yards. You know, I like how much support the photography gets. Alrighty, well, I don't know if you can see the sheer amount of sweat on my forehead today. It is absolutely brutal out. It was probably around 90 degrees while I was shooting, but I stuck through it. I stayed till sundown. We are here, and I pretty much got all the photos that I wanted. This spot was absolutely awesome. We didn't get kicked out. We didn't get in trouble. We got at the other location, they didn't get in trouble. We actually got permission. So I'm gonna count this as like an overall good photography day. What would I do differently? Probably get to here a little bit sooner. But other than that, I'm super happy with the way these photos turned out. Well, I don't get to see them yet, but I know I'm gonna be happy with the way they turned out. And you, Brian, I hope you're happy with them. And as always, if you guys like this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, no style, just creating. Peace.